This is the Music Nomad 3-piece trumpet brush cleaning kit. I've been a middle school band director for more than 20 years, and so I know how important it is for you to be able to clean your instruments effectively. With a cleaning kit, it's really kind of one and done. You buy one and you can use that one for a really long time. So let's look at what comes with this. You get the snake, which is really nice, high quality metal inside, but then this protective coating so you won't be scratching your instrument. It has these strong bristles on the end, but then it's also blunt on the end and turned over so that it's not going to be sharp and there's no risk really of scratching your instrument. A lot of these, they'll get kind of coiled up and awkward to use. This one is actually quite nice because it just pops out, and you can see that it doesn't really curl itself up. It remains fairly straight, so it's very easy to get through the instrument for cleaning. And then the other parts are, you have this mouthpiece brush. So this would be like for the cup end, and that would be like the shank. You would put that one in. And it has these nice little grips on it, so it just makes it really easy to use. You should be cleaning out your mouthpiece on a regular basis because you're putting your mouth on it. And then this would be a brush for the valve casing. So once you pull those valves out and you're cleaning that trumpet, you'd be giving it a bath, you'd be putting this down through the valves. It also has that nice little grip to it, so you have some different angles and ways that you can hold it. So I think this is a really nice set, and I would definitely recommend this.